Hi. Normally in Europe, in this place, all people make testosterone injection in us. Okay. 2 days. I don't know. After today, uh, I survive. No stable. But I want today make this video for all person, all of them, of all queer from USA, from England, from India, and other place in the world. And I have a chance for learn, for have a diversity in the world. Okay. And two is for person in the different place fight for make better LGTB queer. But for today is this is and normally in Europe making us, and I see in the USA and other countries this in the putting in the legs, you know, in the legs. Today I make this in the leg for USA, for United Kingdom, for other countries, for other FTM. I help me when I don't have nothing, and today I have this, and it's for these persons uh, well, in Marseille, France. Keep you strong, keep you alive, keep you very strong for hater world and hater persons, and continue every day for fight your life. Why you only have one life. Bye. In my country say adeu, ciao, adeu.